A very good evening, everyone. And this is Mezabin from Bahar. This is our chef Saizul. Hello, good evening. And this is our star fry section where we are making seafood and beef star fry noodles, which smells really good. I wish I could share it. And the speciality of Bahar is actually the live stations where you get to choose what you want to make, and chef is going to make it with his expert hands just for you. And this is our pasta station where we have a lot of options to choose from, and chef is going to customize it as per your choice. And we'll definitely go for a walk, and I'm going to show you around what we have today. Like, we have the chicken merengue today, which is absolutely one of the very special dish of the day. This is our red counter, and our guest favorite is the live grill station where guests can customize. As you can see, our guests are ordering and they can customize with these special cuts. We have our carving station over here, which is another popular option. And we also have our salad counter and our post seafood section on this side. And there is a special cheese counter. Our guests are here already enjoying the dinner buffet. And Bahar's dinner buffet is extremely colorful and it's loaded with flavors from all around the world. And it's a perfect day to bring your friends and family, and on Friday and Saturday it gets all packed. And we also have our brunch. This is our sushi counter and it has special sushi for you. Along with that, we have a special dessert section where there is local sweets available. We have our crafted signature desserts, and we have a lot of beautiful bakery options. Like, there is a dark chocolate raspberry cake, we have date tarts, and our guests are having a very good dinner moment with their dear ones. And our offer is available on buy one get one, on buy one get two, on selected bank cards. That's 6,999, which is a very good rate and which is a really favorite option for all the guests we have. And we are very overwhelmed by the response we're getting, and we hope we get to serve you like this every day and welcoming you all to Bahar. And since it's weekend and today is a Thursday night, so if you still haven't planned a day out with your friends and family, today is the day to just decide on it. This was Mejbeen. Till next time, a very happy weekend. Good night.